Good morning, everyone. My name is Molly Aditya, and I'm currently a fourth semester student majoring in Information System at Telkom University Campus Jakarta. I have a strong passion for technology and problem solving. During my study, I have worked on several projects such as developing a library management system using Laravel and MySQL, and creating a data visualization dashboard for campus student activity. I have also active participate in organization activity like being a coordination in a software development competition which sharpens my leadership and communication skill. I'm applying for this position because I want to apply my knowledge in real industrial environment while continuously learning from experience professionally. My goal is to become a reliable for a business analyst who can deliver impactful solution for the company. Thank you. My advantage is my first strength is analytical thinking. I like to break down complex problems into smaller parts before finding a solution. Second, I'm fast learner. I can adapt to new tools and technology quickly. Third, I have good time management skill. I always make a priority list and meet deadline without sacrificing quality. My disadvantage, one of my weaknesses, is that I tend to be a perfectionist. Sometimes I spend too much time refining details that are not critical. However, I have been learning to set time limit for each task and ask for a feedback earlier. Another weakness is my lack of professionalism experience. But I believe my academic project and self-learning show my commitment to grow quickly in this role. Baik, saya menggunakan kombinasi wawancara, survei, dan observasi. Setelah itu saya membuat dokumentasi kebutuhan dalam bentuk user story atau BRD, business recommended document. Saya juga melakukan validasi dengan cara presentasi ulang kebutuhan kepada stakeholder dan meminta konfirmasi tertulis. Baik, saya akan menjawab. Functional requirement adalah apa yang harus dilakukan sistem. Misalnya, sistem harus dapat login dengan email dan password. Non-functional requirement adalah bagaimana sistem bekerja, misalnya waktu respon login kurang dari 2 detik, atau sistem harus tersedia 99%. Baik, dalam proyek simulasi bisnis kampus, saya menganalisis data penjualan dan menemukan bahwa 70% keluhan berasal dari proses checkout yang lama. Saya mengusulkan integrasi sistem pembayaran otomatis yang akhirnya meningkatkan retensi pelanggan sebesar 20% dalam simulasi. Baik, kenapa Bapak harus memilih saya? Karena memiliki kemampuan komunikasi yang baik, teliti dalam data, dan selalu berpikir dari sudut pandang nilai bisnis. Bukan hanya teknologi, saya juga cepat belajar domain bisnis baru. Baik, saya ingin bertanya apakah perusahaan ini memiliki standar metode analis tertentu seperti BABOK atau Agile BA, dan bagaimana kesempatan pengembangan karir bisnis analis di sini?